In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your Roblox display name in just a few steps. So this is very easy and we will be able to change it in just a few seconds for free. So the first thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to go to my profile, and as you can see, this is the display name, the one we can see right here, and this is our username. So to change the display name, this is completely free, and to change the username, it costs 1,000 Robux. So to change it, you can go to your profile and click right here, or you can also go to the settings, then account information, and you will see display name and change it right here. As you can see, your display name can only be changed once every week, well, every 7 days. And to change it, you just need to put whatever you want right here and save it. That's how easy you can change your display name. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.